Dashboard light problems manifest in several ways: flickering, dimming, complete failure, or partial LED outages. Proper diagnosis requires a systematic approach to identify the root cause. Start diagnosis by checking battery voltage with a multimeter. Normal voltage should be between 12.4 and 12.6 volts. A weak battery below 12.4 volts causes dimming, while overcharging above 14.8 volts creates flickering. Ground connections are critical and account for 35% of dashboard lighting problems. Look for corrosion at battery terminals, loose connections, and damaged ground straps that prevent proper electrical flow. Dashboard lighting circuits typically use 10 to 15 amp fuses. Check the fuse box for blown fuses and test relays for intermittent failures that can cause sporadic lighting problems. Component failures vary by type. Traditional incandescent bulbs gradually dim over time before complete failure. LED clusters can experience partial failures where only some segments stop working, often due to heat damage. Environmental conditions significantly impact dashboard lighting. Cold weather reduces LED efficiency by up to 20%. Excessive heat accelerates component degradation, while moisture causes corrosion and electrical short circuits. Use a systematic diagnostic approach. Start with battery voltage testing, check ground connections, inspect fuses and relays, test circuit continuity, and examine individual components. A digital multimeter is essential for accurate voltage and continuity measurements. Simple DIY fixes for dashboard lighting issues have remarkably high success rates. Bulb replacement achieves a 95% success rate, while fuse replacement succeeds 88% of the time. However, modern vehicles present significant new challenges. Vehicles manufactured after 2020 increasingly use LED lighting systems and integrated CAN bus networks, requiring more sophisticated diagnostic approaches than traditional methods. Software glitches have become a common cause of dashboard issues. Ford F-150 models from 2019 to 2022 experienced widespread dimming problems due to faulty body control module software. This could be resolved using diagnostic tools like ForceScan. Ground connection repairs remain highly effective, with an 85% success rate. Toyota Camry models from 2018 to 2021 with flickering instrument clusters were often resolved by simply cleaning and tightening the ground connection behind the dashboard. However, some modern issues require professional intervention. BMW 3 Series models from 2020 to 2023 experience LED module failures that require specialized diagnostic tools, limiting DIY success to just 45%. Addressing dashboard lighting issues is crucial for safety. Vehicles with dashboard lighting problems show a 23% higher accident rate during night driving, making prompt repair essential for driver and passenger safety.